All right, guys, we are very excited today because we're going to play the first ever game of skate golf. What would you call that? Skulf?
Gate? Before you even said it, I was thinking skull.
Yeah. This is how this works. If I mess this up, Daniel will slap me. It's going to be me, Nigel, Fetty, and Uzi Walker there on the end. We're going to alternate turns, but here's how it works. So I'm going to set a trick. Let's say that trick takes me 3 tries. Then my score is 3. Then Nigel has to do that trick. If that trick takes him 1 try, then his score is 1. At the very end of the 9 holes, the lowest score wins. The idea here is that you do it with as few of tries as possible. It is going to cap out at 6. Yep. So let's say Nigel goes to the 5 stair and does a trick, and I do not land that trick ever, then that will be a 6. Yeah. So if at the end you just have full 6s, you are a failure. if it's your turn and you don't land the trick within 6 tries, then it goes to the next player. So what do? Now we just play? Are you guys nervous? I'm like sick to my stomach.
He's actually sick.
He is literally sick. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm really thinking about this. We got this new mani pad. Do I start it on that?
I've been really nice to you forever, so I mean you can go a little easier here.
I don't know what I want to do. Yeah, now that I think about it, none of these guys do manuals. Should we do a manual because they don't like it?
Yeah. No,
I was thinking switch nose manual. I don't know if anybody got that.
Yeah, do it. Betty is so mad. Betty's so mad.
You got that. You got that. You got that.
I just dapped him on that. Oh my god. All right, well.
I wish you could see how mad Betty just immediately got.
Betty got mad? It's fine. They're just going to do tricks off the stairs, and then I'm going to, like, take a sip.
It's so weird. If you would have did faking switch manual, I think I could have done that. But just the whole switch pop into this, I've never tried it. So, all right, well.
It's the shorts.
It's the shorts, man.
It's 2.
I can't even get into it.
I love that I can see Fetty over there literally trying switch nose manis on flat ground.
What is the thing? When they hit the dirt, it's like a mulligan. We're not good at golf.
Look how long it is! Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
You got it! I'm not a manual person at all.
I just realized, dude, hole in 1, first try.
Oh yeah, Fetty.
Fetty's got that.
Yeah,
Fetty's got it.
Oh! So close.
I need to do a manual clinic with these guys. They're all extremely talented skaters, way better than me.
I would like to be included.
I could teach them how to do this.
That's messed up.
He's salty, he's salty. You can manual it, right?
Yeah.
So just manual going the other direction. It's like, what?
Okay, I'm gonna try that technique.
Sixes all around. Now this game just got gnarly.
That's your turn now. You have 6 tries to set a trick. Betty wants no repeat obstacles.
I want no repeat obstacles too.
Oh, really?
Just to keep it like fresh, yeah. Because if I just do the manual pad every time, people in the comments below, they'll be like, Aaron is the worst. Well, they'll get, yeah, you guys know.
Moral of the story, no repeat obstacles.
We're playing the kill right now. I'm going to the 5 stair. I hope I land this.
Wow, I've never pop shoved at even a stair before.
We gotta get Aaron on the stairs more anyway, so we're gonna test this gangster today.
You got that.
No.
You got 2 more.
Daniel's done like 900 tricks down the 5 stair. He can pop shove at this.
Don't forget that pop, Uzi. Oh! There you go, Uzi. Aaron has been practicing for about 10 minutes. You have the Go Fast and Commit shirt on. Roll away.
If I land primo, I'm gonna be so mad.
Oh,
wow. I almost did pop shove late heel flip. I could have done it first try. I just got scared.
That was awesome.
He was so worried. I don't know why.
Done that. I would have never done that.
It's the haircut. It de-aged him 7 years, I'm telling you. Man, Aaron's doing pretty well.
I don't know what to do. If I do a nose slide, they all can do it. I went back 180 to the bank.
Back 50, the hubba would be a good one. That would get some people.
That's just dirty. Like there's some things that are just not fair.
I told him to do that one.
Are you Gabe?
I did not.
Oh, it was you, huh, Gabe? Huh.
He was
You know
like-
what? I'm gonna shave that nice hair of
He
yours.
said a nose slide, they can all do that, and I said a back 50 will at least get Nigel and Aaron. He goes, all right, yeah. Hole in one. Good job, Uzi. It's you, my friend.
Me?
Yep.
No! Every time, and he knows it.
You gotta keep going. You got this, my friend Nigel Ryan Jones.
I hate you, Petty. I don't know why this trick's so difficult. Like, I just don't get into it. There we go.
That's 4. Check the scorecard real quick. You're actually only 1 stroke down on Nigel.
No, I'm 2. I have 13. I'm in last.
All right, for my next obstacle, which is entirely different. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Oh, yeah, it is Uzi's turn. We're sorry, Uzi.
Okay.
I'm gonna skate the pyramid.
Hard flip? Jeez, that's hard. Is that the first one that didn't make it on the first go?
Yeah. You're over here planning, I see you. You got 2 more, Uzi. Hi, Troy. Oh! That's a 5. Because the idea is when it's your try on offense, you have an innate advantage to get a lower stroke than when you're on defense. So if you don't land it in those 6 tries.
Super comfortable with you standing that close to me using the word stroke.
Whoa, watch the nuts.
Okay, if I don't get it that first go, it really messes with me. Really messes with me.
Wow, Aaron.
It's a 3. Let's get it, boy.
I don't know if I can hard flip today.
Yeah, Nigel. 2 more. Oh. That is a 6 for Nigel. I repeat 1 more. That is a 6 for Nigel. You got this, Fetty?
I guess.
When Fetty doesn't like something, he just really doesn't. He just like starts having a bad day. He's just sick. He's just sick. That's all it is. He literally invented this trick and can do it on anything. That was so good, though. That was so good.
He gets a 6 anyway, but he landed it. But he gets a prideful 6.
I was thinking that I would go a little bit tougher on this one and try a trick that I'm not sure I can land first try. You know, I don't know if I should do that because I might not land it at all. I was thinking backside 180, double kickflip.
Oof.
And I want to call that because I could mess up and do a single flip and then still land
I've
it.
seen you do that in months.
Exactly. I'm a little nervous. This could ruin the game. This could be the game changer. I was going way too slow.
I do believe you can do it. One more.
Last try. Wow. What a good golfer.
We're conspiring against the enemy right now, so I'm trying to figure out what's good
Dad
for
has-
us.
It's technically 3-on-1 right now.
Huh?
You guys were all gonna team up against him.
It's
Yeah.
dad hats versus no hat.
Exactly. Front 180 over the bank? Easy,
Yeah.
right?
Front 180 what?
I don't know, I still get front 180s, but front 180 over the bank.
They're all conspiring against you.
I heard.
Yeah, Fetty.
Front 180, I haven't heard that name in years.
Gotta harness that 12-year-old inner Kyro.
That's a 3.
12-year-old Aaron Kyro.
I should have did tray flip.
He's on you.
All right, Nigel, I'm sorry.
I will not try that. I will break every bone in my body. To me, that's the trick of the game.
I'm gonna get a hole in one right here.
How do they do that?
I underestimated the wax. Wow.
One more. 6 for Daniel.
When I was 10 years old, I tried a blunt slide, and I fell so hard on my head. I was like, I'll never blunt slide again. I just never learned it. Not ever. Someday I'll learn it.
All right, Nigel and Aaron take the 6 as well.
At least I gave Aaron his first 6.
Your handwriting is impeccable.
Seriously?
That's what I said.
Ollie back foot flip?
Yeah. He's never done this before.
That's why we love Uzi Walker.
All right, right here.
Okay, all right.
Regular shove.
Getting everyone.
Why are you trying to get me to cheat all the time?
You're not cheating. You're just good at that trick.
I don't know if I want to do front nose grind like cab out in the middle, which I also think would get everyone, or 5-0 shove out in the middle.
Completely up to you. That's what I'm saying.
Well, 5-0 shove.
All right. Wow.
Do you like kind of like pivot it before you come out?
Nollie, right in the middle.
No help. No, but we tried to go for his throw. He's like, I'm not helping you guys.
You do a 5-0, and then you angle, and then you shove that. Because otherwise, you're just 5-0 and shove like this. We're really about teaching others to progress in their sport. He's got this right here. Let's go.
That was actually kind of hard.
How many tries did it take you?
That was 4, right?
Whoa!
Whatever, I'm just gonna go for it. I never tried it.
That was sick. You're the best caddy I've ever had, Gabe. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, 270 people.
270 people here.
Whoa, why did that like air out?
I got this. It's like a switch nose manual, pivot manual, fakie pivot, pivot manual, 5-0, late shove. Who's judging this?
Yeah, 3 more.
Was I even in that?
Yeah, you were.
I was? That would have been it?
It's a 5. That was in.
No, Fetty, no. Okay, the whole hubba almost fell over. That's why it's against the wall usually.
I was gonna waste trying to get a 6 on that.
That was golf strategy, straight up.
Okay, right here. He's going to give Aaron this last turn, and we're screwed, even though he won anyways. But.
Last trick of the game.
I mean, I've never tried this before. I just want to no slide it. Like, if I don't do this in a game like this, I'll never do it. Wait a sec, it's my turn and I can do a manual.
Yeah.
That thing is like mile high, straight to the ground. No wonder nobody skates this thing.
I think I won. I got the high score.
Wow, what a game. That was heated. That was intense. That was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, please give this video a like, share it, and leave that comment below, because if you do like this, we will make more, because we make what you guys like. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys are the best. The whole purpose of this entire thing is to teach you how to skateboard. So go ahead and check out all the videos right here, and then go to the shop and get your skateboard, Skateboarding Made Simple, and anything you need to learn how to skateboard, which is all covered at brailleskateboarding.com. I'll see you there. Let's learn to skate. Summer 2018. Let's go!